today here on January 10th, 2017. And right now I am at
Guan Lou Park.
Guan Lou Park, which has a lot of birds, and they mostly are made up of red beak seagull and ducks.
Yes.
And if I can get some good shot, I'm feeding the birds with this loaf of bread. And
yes.
Right now, if you can go, you can see over here, there's some birds.
Yeah.
Which I'm feeding.
Yep, feeding.
Hey, caught in midair.
Yeah, give them more.
Try to make it into small white bowls because then they can eat it.
Yeah.
If I can get one into the water, I will. Now,
Throw it too high. Maybe they can catch it. You have to see the bird coming. Yeah, this bird saw you.
and
They arrived from cold place to Kunming on January 8th.
they migrated from some cold place
Yes.
to here. This is Kunming because this park is in Kunming.
Yeah. And it's very warm now.
Yeah, this place feels like spring or summer.
That's why the bird came here.
Yep. This place is also called, Kunming is also called the City of Eternal Spring.
Yes.
Of course.
So all the seasons, their weather are pretty good, pretty
Even
warm.
winter, because this is winter now.
Exactly.
Bye.